There's a rumor going round. Tell me, is it true, my friend? They say Kanye West about to drop another boot and take over the winner again. We gonna talk about it right after this.
She want that Birkin. On the gram, she twerking. Get your feelings hurt for lurking. That fat for certain. Let me see you poke it out. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see what that's about. Let me see it. Let me see it. Her main goal, get the.
So welcome back, guys. It's your boy Moises, La Familia Gang. What's poppin'? Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell icon so when I drop new notifications, you'll be the first to know and you can become part of the La Familia Gang. So today, guys, today, we have a rumor, and it's a big rumor. Kanye West seems like he has been testing out a new Yeezy boot. Now, as you know, last year, Kanye went crazy with the boots. He had the insulated boot and he had the sulfur boots. Them joints is fire. Super fire. I got them. Super fire. Alright? Now, this year they're talking about Kanye is going to be dropping another boot. Sometime in the fall, sometime in the winter. We don't know yet. It hasn't been confirmed fully, but this is the rumor that's going around. So Kanye's been rocking the Red Wing 3049 boot, and from what they're saying is Kanye has been rocking that boot so he can get ideas on how he wants the Yeezy boot to kind of mimic it, but take the good stuff out of the Red Wing boot and add it into his boot. So as you guys can see, the boot kind of looks like the insulated boot sole at the bottom, and at the top it kind of looks like the Balenciaga rain boot that Kanye has made like super famous and like trendy all over the place. Now I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not sure if this boot is for my taste. The Balenciaga boot I wasn't really a fan of. It's just not my style, but I have seen it on other people and it has looked nice depending on how you dress it up. I think it looks beautiful on women. I think it's a dope woman boot. It looks like the boot is gonna be kind of like a charcoal blackish kind of vibe. It looks fire, I ain't gonna front. As you guys can see, it looks different, and that's what Kanye is all about, is making things different, being new, stepping outside of the box. So I'm looking forward to it, man, but let me know what you guys think. Do you guys rock with boots like that? I'm more of a Tim kind of guy. I got a lot of Tims, but I did get the Yeezy boots, the sulfur and the insulated boots, because I thought those was fire. The insulated boot, I really think, honestly, if you are a fan of Dragon Ball Z, if you actually look at their boots, I think that's where Kanye got the inspiration for that from, because it looks exactly like a boot that Goku or Vegeta will have on. So go look at Dragon Ball Z. If you're a fan of Dragon Ball Z, all my anime people, go look at Dragon Ball Z and look at their boots that they be putting on, and then go look at the Yeezy insulated boot. You see what I'm saying? But let me know what you guys think, man. Drop your comments below. I'm eager to see what you guys think. Do you guys have a pair of the Balenciaga rain boots? If so, what color? And how would you rock it? What's your suggestions on rocking it? Do you like rocking it with your pants leg in, or do you do the over the pants leg kind of feel? Do you do baggy pants? Do you do skinny jeans? So let us know, man. But these boots look alright. I ain't gonna front. I think some people could rock it. Kanye's been killing it so far, so we gonna see what's up, man. But that's the rumor that's going around, so just wanted to holler to the La Familia Gang. Keep y'all in tune with what's going on, and we will be back with another one. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Can't stress that enough to help this channel grow so we can become bigger and bigger and bigger. Appreciate you guys' time. It's your boy Moises. I will be back with another one. You guys be easy. Stay blessed.
You want that Birkin? On the gram, she twerking. Get your feelings hurt for lurking. That fat for certain. Let me see you poke it out. let me see. Yeah, let me see what